Hello everyone, welcome back to CodingRange. Today we are continuing with our daily byte. Today's byte is correct capitalization. So it says this question is asked by Google, given a string, return whether or not it uses capitalization correctly. A string correctly uses capitalization if all letters are capitalized, no letters are capitalized, or only the first letter is capitalized. So let's get back to solving this. We will have another file, capitalization. Capitalization.py. Okay. First thing first. We need what? We need a function. Let's call this is correct cap. We will have a string. We will work this with this string. So we have our function. The logic behind this question would be to check if all the letters are capitalized or all letters are in lowercase. Let's handle these cases first. Like, it is easy because Python has is upper or is lower functions, so it will be straightforward to use them. Let's have an if statement. If our string is upper, or it can be is lower. So we say if our string is upper or lower, so return true. We have a string, we check if it is all upper or all lower, then it is true. It has this case. Or no, let's check if the first letter is capitalized, but all the other letters are normal, lowercase. Let's check this also. So elif our string's first character is upper, and from the first character until the end is lower. That's it. We will return true also. So here we just check the first character if it is upper, and at the same time if all the letters from the first character until the end, like not including the first but the second in the list, is lower, that means there is correct capitalization, so we just return true. And then we have the default case, which is return false. Again, we have our inputs, which are let's copy these. Let's get rid of these. Delete. And then for input in inputs, print is correct capitalization for every input. Let's check it and see what happens. So for USA, as you can see, true, coding true, computer false, coding true. Again, for the explanation one more time, we had the rules here. So a string correctly uses capitalization if all letters are capitalized. We check it here with is upper function, or no letters are capitalized, which is lower function, and then we return true. Or only the first letter is capitalized. We check it here. So we check the first letter of the words, and if it is upper, like it means if it is capitalized and the rest of the word is all lower, that means it is true, it is correctly capitalized. else it will be false. So computer here fails to pass the first and second statement, so it falls to default, which is false. That was it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.